The very first message sent over ARPANET was meant to be LOGIN. But after just 2 letters, LO, the system crashed. So yes, the internet started with a failure. But let's start from the very beginning. How did the internet begin? Today, the internet is a part of everyday life for billions of people. We use it for work, entertainment, education, and communication. But few realize how complex and fascinating the story behind its creation really is. Let's travel back in time and explore how a military experiment turned into the network that connects the world. The Cold War and the birth of ARPANET. After World War II, tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union sparked the Cold War. The U.S. feared that a nuclear strike could wipe out the country's communication systems. So, in 1958, the Department of Defense created ARPA, the Advanced Research Projects Agency. Its mission was to develop a communication system that could survive partial destruction. This led to the creation of ARPANET in 1969, the first computer network connecting universities and research centers. The first nodes were established at UCLA, Stanford, UC Santa Barbara, and the University of Utah. The very first message sent over ARPANET was meant to be LOGIN. But after just 2 letters, LO, the system crashed. So yes, the internet started with a failure. TCP/IP protocols and network integration. ARPANET wasn't the only network out there. Many existed, but they couldn't talk to each other. That changed in the 1970s when scientists Vance Cerf and Bob Kahn developed a set of rules called TCP/IP. These protocols allowed different computer systems to connect and exchange data. On January 1, 1983, ARPANET officially switched to TCP/IP, a date often considered the birth of the modern internet, the World Wide Web. Though the internet was now functional, it wasn't user-friendly. In 1989, British scientist Tim Berners-Lee, working at CERN, proposed a new system that used hyperlinks to connect documents, the birth of the World Wide Web. In 1991, the first website went online. Berners-Lee introduced 3 key components: HTML, language for web pages, URL, addressing, and HTTP, communication protocol. Suddenly, the internet became accessible to regular users. Commercialization and public adoption. The 1990s saw the commercialization of the internet. Internet providers emerged, along with web browsers like Mosaic and Netscape, and search engines like Yahoo and later Google. In 1993, only a few million people were online. By 2000, that number had soared to hundreds of millions. Today, more than 5 billion people use the internet around the world. From email to social media, one of the first killer apps was email, which enabled fast communication across distances. Then came chat rooms, forums, and eventually social networks like Facebook, 2004, Twitter, 2006, and Instagram, 2010. The internet evolved from a static network of pages, Web 1.0, into an interactive platform, Web 2.0, and now into the decentralized, AI-driven world of Web 3.0. Conclusion: the internet was born out of military need, scientific curiosity, and technological innovation. Though we now take it for granted, it took decades and numerous breakthroughs to create. Next time you open your browser, remember, behind that one simple click lies a story of Cold War fears, failed logins, and visionary minds that changed the world. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.